Hello everyone! Our topic today is all about division of fractions. And this topic can be found in page 39 of your textbook. So let us start the previous homework. So I told you to do exercise 2C number 4, page 38 of your textbook. And here is the solution. So 56, we all know that any number has a denominator of 1, so we need to multiply 56 over 1 times 3/4 times 2 over 7. In doing this, so we can simplify 56 and 7. So 56 will become 8 and 7 will become 1. As well as 4 and 2, we can simplify it. So 4 will become 2 and 2 will become 1. Simplifying further, we get 8 over 1 times 3 over 2 times 1 over 1, which is equal to 8 times 3, which is equal to 24, and 1 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. And 24 over 2 is equal to 12. So Jane got 12 candies. So let us have dividing fractions. What are the steps in dividing fractions? So these are the steps. So take the reciprocal of the divisor. So if we have the divisor C over D, the reciprocal of it is D over C. So that is reciprocal. So meaning you just need to flip it. Next, change the operation into multiplication. Then apply multiplication. So given that A over B as dividend and C over D as divisor, so we are going to have A over B divided by C over D. It is equal to copy A over B, your dividend, and then get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is D over C, and then proceed to multiplication. So it would be equal to A over B times D over C. Now let us have some examples. Find the quotient of the following. 3/4 divided by 7 over 8. So in here, we are going to copy 3 over 4 and then get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 8 over 7. Then proceed to multiplication. Then we can simplify 4 and 8. 4 will become 1 and 8 will become 2. Then multiplying the numerators as well as the denominators, we get 6 over 7. That is example number 1. Now let us have another one. So supposing we need to divide negative 4 over 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 7. So in here, let us convert 1 and 1 over 7 to 8 over 7. Then we are going to get the reciprocal of 8 over 7, which is 7 over 8. Then proceed to multiplication. Then we are going to simplify 4 and 8. So 4 will become 1 and 8 will become 2. Then we are going to multiply the numerators as well as the denominators. So take note that negative times positive is equal to negative. So therefore, negative 1 times 7 would be equal to negative 7, and 5 times 2 would be equal to 10. So the answer is negative 7 over 10. Now let us have another one. So 3 divided by negative 2 over 9. So in here, we all know that any number has a denominator of 1. So 3 over 1 times negative 9 over 2, the reciprocal of your divisor. So in doing this, so we are going to multiply 3 times negative 9 over 1 times 2 because there's nothing to cancel in here. So 3 times negative 9 is equal to negative 27, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And simplifying further, negative 27 over 2 is equal to negative 13 and 1/2. Now let us have problem involving division of fractions. 2½ dozens of eggs cost 67.5 baht. Find the cost of 1 egg. So in here, we are going to determine the cost of 1 egg by dividing 67 and 1/2 by 30. Why 67 and 1/2? So we all know that 0.5 is equal to 1/2. So in writing 67.5, it is equal to 67 and 1/2. Why 30? Because we all know that 1 dozen is equal to 12. So therefore, if we have 2.5 dozens, it would be equal to 30. So in doing this, we are going to convert 67 and 1/2 to improper fraction, which is equal to 135 over 2. Then we are going to divide it by 30 over 1 because any number has a denominator of 1. And then we are going to get the reciprocal of 30 over 1, which is 1 over 30, and then proceed to multiplication. In here, we can simplify 135 and 13, dividing both by 3. So 135 divided by 3 is 45, and 30 divided by 3 is 10. Then multiplying the numerators, 45 times 1 is equal to 45, and the denominators 2 times 10, which is equal to 20, we get 45 over 20. And these numbers are divisible by 5. So 45 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5 would be equal to 9 over 4. Simplifying further, we get 2 and 1/4. So the cost of one egg is 2 and 1/4 baht, or 1/4 can be written as 0.25. So it is 2.25 baht. Now let us have a short quiz. Solve the following. 1/2 divided by 1/6 is equal to what? 5 seconds to answer this one. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is 3. Now let us have another one. Solve the following. -3 over 2 divided by 1/6 is equal to what? In 5 seconds. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is -9. Now it's textbook time. Do exercise 2D numbers 1 to 3, page 40 of your textbook. So these are the answers to 2D exercise. And then for your homework, do the interactive worksheet number 7 in the Google Classroom. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and see you again next time. Bye!